All right, Prabhudeya, let's begin with an update. The breaking news that is coming in from the state of Himachal Pradesh, a Congress Mantri from Himachal, Jagat Negi, who has made an objectionable remarks against the BJP MP Kangana Ranaut. And during the session, he apparently said that Kangana Ranaut visited flood-affected areas where everything was settled because the rain would have otherwise damaged the makeup. And people would not be able to identify her without makeup, and either she is Kangana Ranaut or her mother. Such kind of an objectionable statement that has been made by this leader.
समय के अंदर लोगों को जो है, पीड़ितों को जो है, हम जो है राहत दे सकते हैं। अगर अभी जो है कहीं बादल फट गया और 2 दिन बाद पहुंच जाए, जैसे कंगना जी कर रहे हैं। कंगना जी ने कहा, ट्विटर किया, उन्होंने ट्वीट किया कि मुझे कुछ अधिकारियों ने, कुछ विधायकों ने कहा कि हिमाचल में रेड और येलो ऑरेंज है, इसलिए आप अभी मत आओ। जबकि उसमें समेज में उनके अपने चुनाव क्षेत्र में 34 लोग जान जो है गवा चुके थे, मंडी में 9 लोग जान गवा चुके थे। तो ये जो मेरे ख्याल विधायकों में तो शायद जयराम जी होंगे, जिन्होंने कहा होगा मत आओ भाई, खतरा है, क्या आराम से आओ। अब अधिकारियों का पता नहीं कौन थे वो अधिकारी, अब उनको भी ढूंढना पड़ेगा कि क्यों ऐसा कोई वो है, या तो उनको पूछना पड़ेगा बताइए कौन अधिकारी है। और जब सब कुछ ठीक हो गया, समय से मैं पहुंची वहां पर, और वो बरसात में वैसे भी नहीं आना था उन्होंने, क्योंकि मेकअप जो है सारा खराब होना था, फिर लगना था ये कंगना है या कंगना की माँ है, पता ही नहीं लगना था। तो वो आई उधर, तो जब सब कुछ वहाँ ठीक ठाक हो गया, घड़ियाली आंसू बहा के चले गई। तो ऐसा भी क्या करना, तो ये बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हैं। अब हम कहना नहीं चाहते हैं कि हमने आपदाओं में किस किस्म के हमारे मंत्रीगणों ने, हमारे माननीय विधायकों ने जो है उस समय रात के 2-2 बजे तक बैठकर किसी ने जो है किस किस्म की जो है वहाँ पर घटनाओं में लोगों की मदद की। अब ये कहते हैं मैं उधर गया था, 2 घंटे पैदल चला, बहुत कुछ हो गया। अगर मैं कहूँ तो मैं तो 14,000 की ऊंचाई पे गया, मैं तो डायबिटिक आदमी था, 14,000 की ऊंचाई पे जाकर अपने जान को जोखिम में डाला, मैंने तो कभी नहीं कहा। पर जब ये कहते हैं अपने 1 घंटे की बात, तो हमसे भी नहीं रहा जाता। और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि जिन लोगों ने इस प्राकृतिक आपदाओं में, चाहे वो हमारे होमगार्ड के जवान थे, चाहे हमारे पुलिस के जवान थे, चाहे वो हमारे आईटीबीपी के लोग थे, चाहे समय के अंदर।
All right, Amandeep, Pragya, Pranesh, all of them joining us right now. Amandeep, I mean, neither Kangana being spared nor her mother being spared, ideological difference are different. But even when it comes to targeting her on a personal level, what is this kind of politics that has now been witnessed in the recent times, especially against Kangana Ranaut?
Well, Amita, this is a clear-cut indication and the evidence that how the politics is touching too low. And in fact, this happened during the session, monsoon session in Vidhan Sabha Assembly, when the discussion was on the floods, and in fact when the discussions was taking place on the restoring the flood affected areas and the compensations and also the financial crisis. And all of a sudden Jagat Negi, who is the minister in Sukhu government, he started speaking about the flood affected areas, and all of a sudden he started targeting Kangana, and even he started on a very political grounds, but just in a minute he just turned up on a very personal note and started saying that Kangana might not visit the rain affected areas just because he might reduce her makeup during the rain, and even the people will not able to identify her, either she is Kangana or her mother without makeup. So these kind of remarks are coming up, and in fact that is very much shocking and surprising that how on the floor of the house this statement has not been expunged. Elected representative was being giving the statement against another member of parliament who's also elected representative on the floor of the house.
That makes it even worse, isn't it, Pragya? Because Kangana Ranaut of late has been a target of such kind of personal comments and sexist comments, right from नाचने गाने वाली to makeup बिगड़ जाएगा, nobody would recognize her. Such kind of stooping low to this is to another level that we are witnessing, and nonetheless happening in the assembly where this minister was speaking.
Well, I would say that women become very easy target when it comes to politics, and these comments coming from a legislator and also in the house is very abhorrible. And I would say that this kind of sentiment only shows the mentality of the people that we have in politics. In fact, if you see, and this is more so case in people who are coming from the entertainment industry. Obviously, if you want to attack Kangana Ranaut, you could also, you can easily attack her on the works that she is doing, the kind of frequency she is visiting her constituency. There are so many parameters you could attack Kangana Ranaut and also put her in the dock for being people's representative. But you don't do that. You go on the looks, you go on the career that she had, in fact, had a success in that career. You go on that and you comment on the personal level. And we had seen this in the past as well. Remember Jeetu Patwari during Madhya Pradesh election? He also commented on Imarti Devi's looks, who was contesting from BJP. And this has come from a party which is, drawing inspiration from Sonia Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. And Priyanka Gandhi, you remember, she gave this slogan of Ladki Hoon Lad Sakti Hoon in Uttar Pradesh. When you have people and leaders like this, how can the representative of such a party can stoop so low and comment on personal level and go on to say that, she can't be there in the constituency because her makeup would wash off easily, and this is why she didn't come. You could have already said that there are
important to note. This is nothing but bile. Pranesh, I mean, this is financial crisis that the state is already facing, but it seems that even on a moral or ethical basis, such kind of comments are being made, and that too inside the assembly.
I can't wrap my head around the idea that this happened inside the assembly at a time when there is, nationwide anger and outrage around what happened in Kolkata. People are out on streets and this outrage, Amita, we've seen, is not limited to one city or state. At a time like that, how can you have a situation in the state assembly, a minister no less is speaking and with people around him, not one person stopped him. There is no condemnation by the chair. The chair allowed this to happen. The chief minister did not pull up the mantri, or we don't know if he did, because the mantri hasn't apologized. How can the mantri mock Kangana Ranaut and her mother? You can have differences with people, your political opponents. That is absolutely all right. That is what democracy is all about. Plurality in terms of ideas. But you can't have a mantri, mainstreaming misogyny. That is what is happening. The mantri in this case, Mr. Negi, is mainstreaming misogyny. This is, like we've said in our lines, unbridled misogyny. And you were talking about moral bankruptcy. Can there be a more clearer example of moral bankruptcy? Because we've known the situation as far as finances in the state are concerned. But look what the state is resorting to. If they want to deflate attention by targeting Kangana, then this will not work. People can see through things. And if the Congress party is really serious about its poll slogan, Ladki Hoon Lad Sakti Hoon, then they must walk the talk. There should be zero tolerance. And this is not about Congress, BJP, any neta who steps the line and does this kind of commentary against women must be pulled up so that an example is set.
Well, let me take that question to Aba Singh. She's joining us on the phone line. Ma'am, good morning to you. Why is that anyway women have a hard time when it comes to projecting themselves as a leader and in politics? How is that? And we always see the example, whether it is of Kangana Ranaut or any other leader. She is an MP for God's sake. And not respecting that position, she often becomes a subject of ridicule. What do you have to say on that, ma'am?
This is the reason that even after 78 years of independence, freedom, we have barely 15 to 18% women in the parliament. Women are scared to come in public life. Women are scared to join the government because they are ridiculed. They become a laughing stock by cheap people. I will say, be it politician, any person who talks cheap things about women, it goes back to him. Now, if you talk about it, that if Kangana has she has done makeup, that's a personal choice. Why should these politicians come to such a low level and talk about personal things? I think you're very rightly, as a person was saying, you have to walk the talk. When you talk of women empowerment, you say, Ladki hoon, lad sakti hoon. So please learn to respect the girl. If makeup is a personal choice, how she looks, good, bad, is irrelevant. Please treat her as a human being. What does the Constitution say? Like everyone is showing the Constitution all the time. Equality before law, equal protection of laws. Do not Commenters, I do not discriminate and on basis of religion, race, caste, sex. Sex means male, female. So if she's a female and she's dressing up, she has a right to dress up. How she looks, good or bad, that is not to be commented upon. You comment upon poverty, you comment upon education, that too of the country, not personal. It is defamatory. Kangana, in fact, should file a defamation suit against such politicians. That would be the right way and teach him a lesson.
Well, that's the point missing, because every time that we have seen, of course, Kangana Ranaut being the new MP there, and we have seen that she's often been made a target. But the issue at large that was being discussed in the assembly was very important. They were talking about the floods. Do you believe that, Amar Singh ji, thank you very much for joining in. Brinda Adige is with us right now. Brinda, do you believe that when it comes to an important subject like floods, people have been affected, people have been displaced, the entire attention gets diverted when a mantri actually talks about or comments about how a woman MP looks, whether or not she is wearing makeup or not? How is that even important?
He is a parliamentarian, an elected representative. Important or not, he has no right to comment about anybody's makeup or no makeup. These kind of misogynistic statements seem to have become as if the prerogative of male politicians. They think that these are comments that must be made in the parliament and not address the issue that is at hand. Floods, people's loss, shelters lost, emergency services that must be given. Instead of addressing all of that, he's addressing and talking about somebody's makeup. How does it matter who's makeup and who's not wearing a makeup? How does it matter to this fellow or to the flood affected victims? Such people not only should apologize publicly, but they must be suspended and said, don't come to the parliament for the next 10 days, and we would put that as suspension.
Well, we haven't seen that, Brinda, happening. I mean, setting such an example would be ideal. But, you know, when it comes to walking the talk on the big slogans that they have been given, when it comes to Nari Shakti, what happens when you have to take action on ground?
Absolutely. We are not talking about Nari Shakti. Even before Nari Shakti, we want to talk about Nari Ganata, Nari Maryadi. Is that not something that every elected politician and parliamentarian has to uphold? Is that not his right, his duty to uphold? It is the right of every woman to be spoken and interacted with respect and dignity, irrespective of which party that woman belongs to. It does not matter. This kind of loose talk just goes to show that these are people who do not walk the talk.
Irrelevant, not important, not even needed to be discussed or even taken up, and that too inside the state assembly. Brinda, thank you very much for your point of view. What we are discussing right now, viewers, as important issue as floods that have affected hundreds of people. We have seen exactly when it comes to the cloudbursts that were reported in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Already it is dealing with financial crisis. And look what seems to be the subject matter of discussion inside the assembly. Listen in.
और जब सब कुछ ठीक हो गया, समय से मैं पहुंची वहां पर, और वो बरसात में वैसे भी नहीं आना था उन्होंने, क्योंकि मेकअप जो है सारा खराब होना था। फिर लगना था ये कंगना है या कंगना की माँ है, पता ही नहीं लगना था। और जब सब कुछ ठीक हो गया, समय से मैं पहुंची वहां पर, और वो बरसात में वैसे भी नहीं आना था उन्होंने, क्योंकि मेकअप जो है सारा खराब होना था। फिर लगना था ये कंगना है या कंगना की माँ है, पता ही नहीं लगना था।
Well, Pragya, you know, I mean, already as we are looking at, Kangana Ranaut has become like a punching bag for many leaders in the opposition, she being a new MP. But a woman itself is something that has now become as an easy target. We've seen such kind of atrocious statements that have been made by leaders from the opposition as well. It is something which is irrelevant, completely not important at all. But why is that the focus then remains on Kangana Ranaut and not on the work that she seems to be doing?
Well, first, I would say that this shows the crass mentality that exists in political system, and we should, know these are also the drawing room talks, and these are how they talk about the women MPs and about the women leaders, behind the back also. And this probably is also a manifestation of that, the words that have been used against Kangana Ranaut, and not just Kangana Ranaut, against her mother as well. In a bid to, degrade Kangana Ranaut, you have also attacked the mother. So, this kind of situation is all pervasive. It is a cross-party line, I would say. But to use it at a platform which is meant to, put across the important issues of people's, which is why you have been given that mandate, shows the mentality of the leaders as well. And it has to be.
And what happens with them? Do they get away with it easily? What will their party do? Maintain distance, or say that it's a personal point of view for leader? Nonetheless, that has been made by a minister, and that too in the State Assembly. Pragya, Pranesh, and also to you, Amandeep, thank you very much for joining in. Of course, multiple reactions that would be coming in on this story, but exactly what had happened inside the assembly with such kind of statements that were made against an elected representative.
और जब सब कुछ ठीक हो गया, समय से मैं पहुंची वहां पर, और वो बरसात में वैसे भी नहीं आना था उन्होंने, क्योंकि मेकअप जो है सारा खराब होना था, फिर लगना था ये कंगना है या कंगना की माँ है, पता ही नहीं लगना था.
Imagine the looks are being discussed and talked about of an elected representative, a woman representative, and that is why we say Shakti, fight back.